You know how people say that they are very much interested in stock market but can't actually allot time for the same? Hectic schedules usually don't allow people to indulge in the stock market during the regular market operating hours. To help you with exactly this, there is something called as aftermarket order or AMO. Are you wondering what aftermarket order means? How is it different from the market time and pre-market orders? What are the benefits of it and how can you place them? Well, we'll address everything regarding AMO order in this video today. Hello everybody, I am Vaishnavi and welcome to aliceblue Online. In this video, we're going to learn all about AMO order. What is meant by aftermarket order? When you place an order while the markets are closed, such orders are called aftermarket orders. AMO is a kind of advanced order that you place when the market is closed but gets executed at the regular market hours. AMO in trading provides flexibility to individuals who do not get the time to trade during normal market hours. You can place AMOs in all the market segments after the market closes. We will soon talk about the timing for placing AMOs. A crucial point to consider while placing an AMO is the fact that, just like the name suggests, these types of orders are market orders. Therefore, you cannot place a stop loss, bracket or cover order here. But what you can place is a limit order. Now let's talk about the aftermarket order timings. Normal market hours start at 9:15 am and end at 3:30 pm as you would know. When you place an order after that, it becomes AMO. There are certain time frames for placing AMOs and that varies for different market segments. NSE equity market is between 3:45 pm to 8:57 am. BSE equity market 3:45 pm to 8:59 am. Equity futures and options, that is F&O, 3:45 pm to 9:10 am. Currency markets between 3:45 pm to 8:59 am. And commodity markets any time of the day. Now, are you wondering how AMO works while markets are not operating? We got you covered here. Keep watching. How does AMO work? Let us understand this with an example. Imagine you want to place an AMO for 50 quantities of Reliance's shares on the NSE at market rate at 8 pm. Once you place an order, it goes to your broker and stays the same until 8:58 am the next day. At 9 am, your stockbroker sends the order to the exchange. Once the market starts at 9:15 am, your order will be placed at the opening price on market rate. Now, if you have placed a limit order of Rs 2,100 and if the price gets matched in the pre-opening market between 9 am to 9:07 am, your order would get executed during that period. If not, it would get executed after 9:15 am. When it comes to limit AMOs, the extent to which you can place them depends on the broker. Some brokers allow 5% up or down from the closing price to place a limit order. In simple words, it means that if the closing price of a stock is Rs 500, you can place a limit order ranging from Rs 475 to 525. Now let's talk about the benefits of aftermarket order. AMOs provide the opportunity to trade or invest to individuals who cannot do so during regular market hours due to other commitments. You can always cancel or modify your AMOs, which protects you from any negative news or incidents that may impact the market. It is available for all the segments of the stock market like equity, F&O, forex and commodity. You can place an AMO on weekends as well. AMOs can be placed for different types of trading options like equity delivery, known as cash and carry, that is CNC, margin intraday square off, that is MIS, and normal order, that is NRML. Now, how is AMO different from market order and pre-market order? You know the market timings now. Any order placed between 9:15 am to 3:30 pm is called a market order. When you place an order from 9 am to 9:07 am, it becomes a pre-market order. And last but not the least, when you place an order from 3:45 pm to 9:15 am, depending on the market segment, it is said to be an aftermarket order. The only drawback of an AMO is that you are not allowed to place customized orders like a cover order or a bracket order. Placing a stop loss is also not allowed. Now I'll tell you how to place an aftermarket order in aliceblue. To place an aftermarket order in the aliceblue portal, follow these steps. First, log into your aliceblue account. Now search the stock or F&O that you would want to trade. Select the buy or sell option. Select the type of trade you want, that is MIS, CNC, etc. Select the AMO option listed on the screen. Now select whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. Then enter the quantity you wish to trade. Enter the price in case you are placing a limit order. Lastly, click on the buy or sell option given at the right bottom corner, and that's it. With these simple steps, you are done placing your AMO in aliceblue. Well, that was everything regarding the AMO order. I hope that the video has cleared all your doubts. Thank you for watching. For more such informative videos, make sure that you subscribe to aliceblue Online. This is Vaishnavi signing off. I will see you in the next video.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.